Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you about some common challenges and solutions that keep your business growing. The first challenge is growing competition. The e-commerce space is crowded. How do you make your store the one customer choose? The answer is know your competition. By analyzing what other businesses are doing well and not so well, you can improve your strategy. Look at their pricing, products, marketing, everything. This information will help you position yourself for success. The next one is increased customer expectation. Today's online shoppers are very demanding. They expect a seamless experience from browsing on their phone to a speedy checkout. So how do you meet these expectations? Main parts to focus on. Mobile optimized user experience. Make sure your store is mobile friendly. Most people shop on their phone these days, so a smooth mobile experience is crucial. Then customer service. To ensure this, your customer service team should be well trained in problem solving and have a system to track inquiries so that customers get answers immediately. Utilize data analytics effectively to better understand what drives conversion as well as identify area for improvement. Next, insufficient customer engagement. Connecting with customer is crucial, but don't annoy them with too many sales talks. Give them useful stuff instead, like customer grouping. That means group your audience based on interest or demographics. This way you can send targeted messages with relevant advice and resources, not just any old sales offer. Then stay in touch. Utilize email marketing and push notification to keep your audience engaged. Remind them about new products, special offers, or anything else that might excite their interest. The next challenge we face is slow conversion rates. Convincing visitors to purchase something from your store is one of the biggest challenges of e-commerce. After all, there are a lot of other stores out there offering similar products and service. But how do you capture customer attention and make them feel like they are getting a unique offer? Make it easy with checkout. Ensure a user-friendly checkout experience by reducing form fields, offering multiple payment options, and displaying all necessary information upfront. Offer special discount and loyalty rewards. Use QR code for convenience, then utilize e-commerce marketing tools and implement targeted marketing campaigns. The next challenge is abandoned cart. Have you ever filled a cart full of products online only to abandon it before paying? Well, you are not alone. Lots of people do it. Studies shows that between 59% and almost 80% of shoppers ditch their cart. This means lost sales for stores. Why do people leave things behind? There are few reasons. Trust issues. Some people worry online store might not be safe. Surprise costs. Extra fees like high shipping charges can be a turnoff. Checkout hassle. A complicated checkout process with too many steps can be frustrating. So here is what stores can do to win back those shoppers. Make it easy to navigate. Website and apps should be user-friendly so people don't get lost. Speedy checkout. Keep the checkout process simple with no unnecessary information to fill out. Clear calls to action. Make add to cart button easy to find so people know where to click to buy. By following these tips, stores can make online shopping experience smoother and turn those abandoned cart into happy customers. If you are looking for a best e-commerce agency in UAE, please contact us. Remember, stay focused on providing a great customer experience and watch your business succeed. Thanks for watching.